Hello guys, good day! Ngayon po ay pag-usapan po natin kung paano mag-upload ng videos using naka-Premiere po. Okay, here we go. So, first thing first, you need to have your Google Chrome. Kung wala pa po kayo dyan, pwede nyo i-download sa Play Store. Then, click mo yan. Sa akin po is automatically naka-sign in na po siya. So mag-sign in na din kayo guys. So ito yung mag-a-appear ng screen nyo po guys. Then be sure na naka-desktop yan site. Check mo yan. Naka-desktop view yan. Pag hindi yan naka-desktop view, iba yung features na naka-appear sa monitor nyo guys. So be sure to have to check it. And if you already check it, you have to check your create videos. Yan. Click mo yan. So may makita ka po na upload videos, go live and create post guys. So select mo yung upload videos. Okay, mag-select ka ng files mo from your phone. Okay, mag-select tayo. And example. Okay, ayan, nag-upload na po siya guys. So hintayin nyo lang guys na mag 100% uploading yan. For now is processing video pa siya. Diba? Kita mo yan dyan sa baba. Okay, 95% process. Ayan, finish processing na. Okay, so fully uploaded na po siya guys, pero hindi pa na-set yung settings niya sa video. So balik tayo sa taas guys, may tatlong steps po yan, yung details, video elements, and number 3 is visibility. So in step 1, you need to fill up, yes, it is required guys. You need to fill up your title. Okay, in the title you have a title you guess. Then description below, you may or you may not to put it. Sa akin hindi na kasi testing lang to. Then next is thumbnails. Pwede ka mag-upload ng thumbnails mo, yung customized thumbnails mo, or you have to leave it as a default. Then playlist, okay. Pwede mo siyang, kung mayroon ka ng playlist na nakalagay dyan guys, pwede nyo dyan i-check kung saan nyo po ito i-upload. You are going to upload the video. And din sa akin hindi na kailangan kasi testing lang dito eh. Okay, then you have to check, no, it's not made for kids. Okay, so if you're all set, you may click the next button below. Alright, so we are now on step 2, video elements. So sa akin guys, hindi na to medyo hindi talaga useful sa akin guys. So siguro sa may iba dyan na pwede maglagay ng mag-add ka ng ibang kung ano man dyan. Pero sa akin hindi na. So, let's skip to step 3. So, click mo ulit yung next button sa baba. Alright. So, andyan ka na sa visibility. Ito yung guys, yung settings nyo kung paano ka mag-Premiere guys. So, okay. Nandyan ka na sa save or publish. Diba? Click mo yung public. Okay. So, pag-click mo ng public guys, makikita mo agad yung set as instant premiere. Click mo din yan guys. Okay. So, pag-click mo yan, lalabas yung schedule mo dito sa baba. Select a date to make your video public, diba? Ayan. So, may lumabas na date tsaka oras. I-set mo yan base sa anong schedule ng pag-prepare mo. dapat yan is ahead yan sa time mo ngayon. Hindi yan pwedeng behind. Kasi wala na yan. Hindi yan upload, di ba? Okay, dapat ahead yan 1 hour, 30 minutes. Dapat ahead yan sa current time mo ngayon. Then, click mo yung pag okay na guys, nakaset ka na. So, you have to click set as premiere. Okay. Ayan. So, yan lang guys. So, after that one, okay na yung settings mo. So, may schedule na button dito sa baba. Ayan. I-click mo yan at mag-upload yan with your time slot na inilagay mo dito sa schedule mo. Okay. Ayan. And that's all. Kasi sa akin, hindi ko na lang to i-schedule kasi testing lang to. Yan na guys, ang huling steps natin kung paano natin i-upload yung videos natin using Premiere. Okay, alright. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. And please do like, comments, and subscribe down below. Okay, thank you. And have a good day.